Well, hello everyone. Professor Binge here, the world's oldest first-time YouTuber. Not totally true, but trust me, I'm up there in age. I've retired. I thought this would be a very easy lecture to give. It's on what makes best friends. As those who have not seen, our grading system is we have 5 golden nuggets. 20 points if you agree with the nugget, 10 points if you kind of agree, kind of follow it, 0 points if you don't. So this one is on what makes best friends. As I always do, and Googled it, and on Google I started looking at what's the quality of a good friend and what makes good friends and 7 qualities of a successful friendship and 10 ways to be a good friend. I'll tell you, although keep in mind, my undergraduate and graduate degree is in engineering. This is kind of a mushy subject, in my opinion, not science-based. But I thought I could easily, with my background and my experience, I could come up with 5 key things for best friends. And guess what? I haven't done it yet. So bear with me. I hope you can help me. It's not as easy as I thought it would be. So after doing a lot of research and soul searching, I came up with 5 golden nuggets as far as what makes best friends. And I also did this by watching a lot of old videos of and pictures of our best friends, Frank and Peggy, and pulled a lot of their traits and things we did, and that helped me finalize these 5 golden nuggets. First thing is we have fun and we party together. We have a lot of great memories doing a lot of fun things. That's just us. We're all retired, and I think, I don't know, it's just very important to us, important to me. They have character and they have a good heart. Both of them are really, really nice people. Strong character. They're just good people, and I think that's important. We like to do things together. I remember once I came up with a list of about 10 things that we could do, and I remember Frank or Peggy, they said, you know what, we're happy doing any of them with you. Just let's plan it out and let's just do it. And that's nice. We all kind of like doing things together. We have great conversations. I noticed on some of the research they said, well, good friends are good listeners. Well, you know what? I'm not sure. I'm not a good listener. I'm not sure. But we all talk. We all have a great time talking. We all laugh when we're talking. I don't know if anyone's listening, but we do have fun when we sit around talking. And last, and I think this is important, we have great memories together. We've been really, really good friends for over 6 years. Some of the memories, we went to Fantasy Fest in Key West and have a ton of memories regarding that. Some unbelievable. We went on a boat cruise, and on one of the islands, Frank rented a golf cart, and the guy went to explain to Frank how to use it, and Frank refused to listen. Well, then we're zipping along the street, and we're in the back of the golf cart facing backwards, and Peggy turns around and looks at us and says, boy, these people are so friendly. Look, they're all waving at us. And my horror, I'm looking and I realize we're on the wrong side of the street, and all these cars are coming at us and swerving every which way, and how did we know? But what a great memory, and we survived it. So anyhow, I included in the rest of this lecture some of the videos and pictures and memories that I have and continue to have with Frank and Peggy, and feel free to watch them, and I think you may come to the same conclusion. So enjoy. And oh, by the way, if you like this, make sure you hit the like, you hit the subscribe, and see you next week.
happy and we're all healthy for the coming year, and that all our grandkids and great-grandkids and our kids and their spouses are happy for the rest of the year.
Yay! Cheers!
Cheers.
I can't swing the same place twice. I better just move my ball every once in a while. What are you doing?
Where's that?
That didn't work.
Is happy and healthy for all of us, and our kids and our grandkids are happy and healthy.
Amen.
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 Cheers.
Should we
Cheers.
toast
Cheers.
to that?
Let's
Cheers.
toast to that.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers, Jim.
Just walk my way. Tell me how it's looking, baby. Just tell me how it's looking, baby.
Buster. Yay! Yay! Party time! Sake! We're gonna have sake! Oh, it's unfair. His mouth is so big. Unfair.
Frank, this is Michelob Ultra Guy. First, I want to wish you a happy 82nd birthday. And how awesome is that? I hear you'll be celebrating that day with your lovely wife, Peggy. And though other members of your family and friends are unable to be around on that day, they, along with me, want to send you happy birthday wishes. I hope you have a day full of fun, whatever you do. I also hear that you're a career Navy veteran. I want to personally thank you for your service. Hey, my dad too was a Navy veteran. He served in World War II and the Korean War. It's, people such as yourself and my dad, whose dedication and commitment to serve allows people such as myself to enjoy the freedoms we have today. So again, thanks for that. Frank, I've heard you've battled some medical issues over the years, but have always come out on top. Sounds like you're quite a fighter, and you don't allow things such as cancer or deteriorating eyesight or falls or hospital stays keep you down. Attaboy, sounds like you're truly living in the moment. Do want you to be safe and be well, but keep that fighting spirit. In addition, I hear you love golf and you love Mick Ultras. Hey, you're a man of my heart. I cannot believe you got your 7th hole-in-one last year. That, my friend, is totally an amazing achievement. I can't imagine even some of the pros have had that many hole-in-ones, and you, doing it on crutches, swinging with one arm. As Harry Carey says, holy cow. I've never even come close to a hole-in-one, and for you to have 7, that is truly Tiger-esque. Congratulations. I hope the Mick Ultras were flowing on each one of those hole-in-ones. Frank, you're an amazing man. I wish I could meet you someday. You're quite an inspiration. And I want you to know that you and the entire Clem family are loved by so many friends and acquaintances. You're a vet, a cancer survivor, quite a golfer, a family man, and a Mick Ultra drinker. You truly are living in the moment and are living by the Ultra slogan, it's only worth it if you enjoy it. Frank, happy birthday to you, and be well, my friend.